Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today, I'll be doing a Halloween nail art using KADS Halloween 013. Then let's peel off the blue protective film. I already prepared a purple gradient, so now let's do some layered stamping. After all of that stamping and cleanup, I'm applying a smudge-free top coat. If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!